The Real Avid Vise 360-degree Swiveling Bench Vise is a game-changer for gun DIY projects, providing a 360-degree swiveling capability that ensures optimal positioning for firearms. This feature eliminates the struggle to find the right angle, offering a faster and easier workflow. The 5 inches jaw width, coupled with the integrated leveling knob, allows for plus or minus 3 degrees of side-to-side micro-adjustment, guaranteeing precise alignment and accuracy. This is particularly beneficial for rifle scopes, optimizing the shooting experience and increasing accuracy. One standout feature is the vise's ability to handle high-torque applications up to 100 feet-pound. The locking pin securely intersects and locks the ball and socket joint, providing superior leverage for rock-solid stability during demanding DIY projects. This stability and control are crucial for tasks such as scope mounting, making the Master Gun Vise a reliable choice. The vise's exceptional versatility is highlighted by its fast-adjust hand crank, speed cam ball and socket locking lever, and articulating ball joint. These features make it the most versatile rotational workbench vise available, suitable for woodworking, gunsmithing, tool sharpening, gun cleaning, and more. The reversible gun-fit jaw sleeves add to its adaptability, accommodating various shapes and sizes of firearms, ensuring optimal grip and protection. The user experience with this vise is positive, with users praising its well-made design for light to medium-duty applications. It serves as an extra set of hands during gunsmithing work, holding up well for most light projects. The vise's sturdiness and radical versatility become apparent even during minor lightweight projects, making it a valuable addition to any workbench. Users also commend Real Avid's customer support, emphasizing their responsiveness and assistance. The vise is recommended for its effectiveness on every project and its ability to make working on rifles a breeze. The 360-degree swiveling feature allows users to align the gun to a comfortable position, adding an extra layer of convenience to the overall experience. In conclusion, the Real Avid Vise 360-degree Swiveling Bench Vise is a well-crafted and versatile tool that proves valuable for gun DIY projects. Its 360-degree swiveling capability, high torque handling, and exceptional versatility make it a reliable choice for various applications, earning praise from users for its effectiveness and Real Avid's excellent customer support.